Hello everyone. In this demonstration, we are going to create a simple Hello World application using TypeScript. So here we have an empty folder. We'll open up this folder in Visual Studio Code and we'll start creating our Hello World application. So we have opened up the folder inside a Visual Studio Code. So this is a blank folder that we have, and what we need to do over here as a starting step is open up a terminal. So we'll open up a terminal in Visual Studio Code and we'll type the command npm install -g TypeScript. So what this command would do is this will install the TypeScript at the global level. So you can access the TypeScript files from any place in your system. Once we have TypeScript installed at the global level, what we need to do next is to create an empty TypeScript file. So let's go over here and create an empty file with the name hello world.ts. So the extension for TypeScript is .ts. So over here we have an empty ts file, and what we need to do next is start typing some code. So I'll type a very small code over here which says var salutation. So I want to display to the user hello world. So I'll put a small salutation hello world. The intent of this demonstration is to display this salutation to the user in a console window. So very quickly we'll go and we'll put console.log this salutation message inside the editor. So this is a small file containing a variable created as salutation having the value hello world, and we have a small console log message which displays the value of this particular variable. This particular file is marked as hello world.ts, so this is having an extension ts which denotes a TypeScript. In order to execute this TypeScript file, we need to first convert this TypeScript extension into a JS equivalent. So in order to execute this particular file, we'll first convert this entire file into a JS extension, and then we'll start executing this particular file. So what we need to do next is put down a file which is called tsconfig.json. So I'll quickly add one more file which says tsconfig.json. This particular file contains the configuration that need to be added in order to run a TypeScript file. So we'll put down some configuration over here. What we need to type is some compiler options. Compiler option contains a property called target which represents to which particular JavaScript version we want to convert this TypeScript code. So we'll be converting this particular code into ES5. So the next property says what is the module system that we want to follow. So in this case we want to follow the module system which is CommonJS. So I'll put CommonJS over here. Next property is output directory where we want to store the JS files. So we'll put output dir, and I want to mark this directory as out. So we'll create a random folder with the name out which will contain all the JS files. And then towards the end we want to create a source map. Source map will help us to map this particular TypeScript file to a JavaScript equivalent. So I want to create a source map file. So I'll write source map equal to true. So now we are done with the basic configuration in order to run a TS file. What we need to do next is we need to go to this hello world.ts, and then we can execute this particular code using this play button over here. So let me run this button. Once you click this button, you need to click this button run and debug. Let's click this button and see the output. So over here in the terminal, we can see that we received the output message which says hello world. So this is a basic infrastructure which is required in order to make a very simple file hello world.ts to execute inside our Visual Studio Code. The TypeScript files are represented with the TS extension, and this is the basic configuration that is required in order to run this small program. Thanks for watching this demonstration.